Alright, Facebook, YouTube, BDC coming at you with another video. Well, when you have a pond or a pool, you have your good days and you have your bad days. Today, well, it's one of the bad days. All the white stuff is cotton. Yeah. So, not only that, my beautiful waterfall that I installed yesterday, or actually 3 days ago, but I just finally got everything situated yesterday, sprung a leak. And woke up to this. Oh, what a mess, what a mess, what a mess, what a mess, what a mess. So anyways, I patched the leak, waiting for the silicone to dry. There's no movement in the pool right now other than the skimmer. That's the other thing I did yesterday, was cleaned out the skimmer, lowered the water to the desired level of 7 feet. 7 feet in the deep end, 3 feet in the shallow end, not including the stairs. But we got the skimmer going, and it's not really doing a great job, but it is getting some of it. This is probably clogged already. I need to clean it out. So anyways, that's the update. The fish are all confused. They're like, well, I don't know if this cotton stuff tastes any good or not. Isn't it beautiful? So, until the silicone dries, which will probably be about 12 hours, can't turn on the waterfall, can't turn on the filter. So, looks like we're back to the drawing board. Anyways, let's go back to the fog filter. So anyways, we got the landscaping blocks all up in there. They're kind of wonky right now because the water drained out, but got the plants situated in the polyfill, starting to take root. Gotta get this in the water here soon. That's the bloodroot. If you go back to yesterday's video, you'll see that the all those plants were in these baskets, container baskets. But that's what they're there for. They're just there to root out the plants, and then you put them either in the pond or in the bog filter. Eventually, we'll have so much in the pond and so much in the bog filter we don't need anymore. We'll just leave them in the planters. That's why I got extra planters over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 extra ones. So the hornwort, or not hornwort, but parrot's feather, is going absolutely bonkers right now. It's growing like crazy. Yeah, this is a mess. This is a mess. So all day today, I'll be sanding out all this cotton. Oh shit. So now the new water depth is 0 inches on the top, so I can have access to the stairs. And then we got 8 inches right here. Then we got 2 foot right here, and then it drops off to 3 foot. Then it stays 3 foot all the way to the drop-off point, which is right here, right along this edge right here, all the way to this edge. Then we have like a, I won't want to say 45, but it's a pretty steep, probably a 35 degree angle drop to right here. So from here to there is 8 foot or 7 foot now, because I got it down a foot to use the skimmer, so it's 7 foot. Anyways, that's about it for this one. I got a lot of work ahead of me. Wish me luck. BDC out.